Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's video was submitted by Daddy Doorknob on TikTok. In the early morning hours of June 10th, 2022, he and his wife used the drive-thru at a local McDonald's in Taylorsville, Utah. After parking to eat, the two observed nearly a dozen police cruisers enter a bank parking lot nearby. The couple reparked their vehicle to eat and watch what the police were doing at 3 a.m. from a distance. As the two began to film, Sergeant Fawcett of the Kearns Police Department approached, accompanied by several other vehicles.
Yeah, they're coming to us. What the Keep that camera on.
They're all coming to us.
Hello?
What's going on?
Just sitting here.
Doing what?
We had
What's your ID at, bud?
McDonald's.
Do I need to provide ID?
Yeah, you do.
For what? Did I commit a crime? Did I commit a crime?
Well, you could be interfering with an operation.
We were just sitting here.
Interfering is a physical act. I'm sitting in a parking lot watching.
Okay, we don't know what all you're doing, and that's what we're here for.
Well, you don't need to know. I'm not doing anything illegal.
That we know of. You may be.
What do you suspect me of committing? What crime do you suspect me of committing?
You're on private property after hours.
This isn't private. This isn't private property. This is a public parking lot. It's a public parking lot. The public can come and park here.
Right. This is what I need you to do, okay? You're not following them.
Following.
Understood?
Following what?
The people you've been following? The officers?
Following? We were sitting in this parking lot eating McDonald's when we saw a bunch of cop cars pass by.
All I'm
Came
telling
right here to watch.
is you're not following them.
I'm not following them.
Okay?
I never was.
Okay. Have a good day.
Yes. Pigs, man.
How many cars?
Intimidating as shit. Wouldn't let me fucking shut my door. Said I was following him. What is that shit? Trying to get my ID from him. I know my fucking rights.
As the couple was parked, the sergeant's approach wasn't unlawful, just as any other person would. The officer has the right to approach and engage in a consensual conversation with the vehicle's occupants. However, when Daddy Doorknob asks whether or not he had to provide his ID to the officer, Sergeant Fawcett answers in the affirmative, because this is a consensual encounter, and the officers have no reasonable articulable suspicion that the couple had, is, or will be committing a crime, and no probable cause for a traffic stop or an arrest exists. Daddy Doorknob is well within his rights to refuse identifying himself. While no one was damaged in this video, it is yet another example of why you should know your rights. You should have a dash camera installed on your vehicle, as well as the wherewithal to remember to record all of your interactions with state officials. Daddy Doorknob's TikTok channel will be linked below. Be sure to let him know that I sent you. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, LackLuster Limited for criminal psychology content and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.